Hornet Cutting Systems is an original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, of CNC, plasma, Waterjet, and oxy-fuel machines, and we specialize in large-scale industrial plasma applications. In addition to that, we also represent multiple fabrication solutions for our customers to help them optimize their operations. Those include welding equipment, robotic welders, bending, forming, and laser equipment, as well as we provide outsourced fabrication solutions for our customers. Hornet Cutting Systems makes several different kinds of plasma applications that are specific to our customers' needs, starting from the high gantry mounted machines that can span in excess of 40, 60, 80, even 100 feet long and spanning widths of up to 20 feet wide, down to small unitized machines at a 5x10. Our plasma machines can incorporate XPR series plasmas from Hypertherm up to XPR 460 that can cut up to and sever up to 2.5 inches in excess. We also make pipe profiling machines for piping applications up to 24 inches in diameter, as well as square tube applications that can cut up to 12-inch diameter square tubes using our 5-axis rotary tube machines. And those models are called the Roto 1000 and Roto 2000. Hornet Cutting Systems also manufactures water jets. We have large format water jets that can span 15 to 20 feet wide, and we also have a small 5x10 unitized water jet machine. For Hornet Cutting Systems, that was a natural progression for us as we started off making CNC plasma machines, and using the same quality, motion, and machine designs that we developed for plasma cutting, we applied to a different cutting technology in water jets that delivers dependability, quality, and strong structures for our customers. There are several things that set Hornet Cutting Systems apart from other CNC plasma providers as well as other equipment providers. We're American owned and American made. We're also a service disabled veteran owned business. We take pride at Hornet Cutting Systems in hiring and training veterans that are transitioning out of active duty. In fact, we seek them out and want them to be part of our organization. And we love the values that they come with hard work, a good core ethics, and they value people. Other things that set Hornet Cutting Systems apart is our design methodology. At our roots, we started as an equipment retrofitter, where we retrofitted multiple other types of equipment that we did not make. And in doing so, we learned about what worked and what didn't work, as well as what's easy to maintain or difficult to maintain. As a result, we've designed our machines to be robust, to last for decades, to be easy to maintain, as well as provide parts that are easy to source for repair parts and are not custom one-off parts. Some other areas that Hornet Cutting Systems is different is we design with thermal heat management in mind. Some machines have attached linear ways, rails, and gear rack directly to the side of the machine, which when cutting for long durations on thick metal can cause inducted thermal heat transfer, causing warpage and ultimately leading to bad cut qualities and bad parts. At Hornet Cutting Systems, we create thermal separated barriers in all of our machines to eliminate that very error mode. A couple other unique things to Hornet Cutting System design is we take the operator's experience into mind. One example of that is our incorporation of the rad collision sensor, which uses pressurized pneumatic cylinders to ensure that the torch stays in the same position. We design things like that into our machines because we want to design in optimization and efficiency for our customers. We design our machines with an industry best 5-year warranty structurally. We design the machines so that they're going to last for a long time. They're going to put up to rough, rugged environments. As we know, the fabrication environments can be varied, as well as very challenging in terms of the use of its equipment and maintenance. Our machines are designed to take punishment, abuse, and keep on running. Another unique differentiation for Hornet Cutting Systems is our development of our proprietary crosshair laser identification point. That's important for the operators to identify exactly where the pierce will happen when they are conducting manual alignment of the part they will cut on their sheet. This is significant when we're talking about other manufacturers may have a single point or may have an offset laser where the torch itself is not aligned with where the pointer is. And so it's dependent on the calibration of the offset to where that laser is, and if that's off, it can create a incorrect start point. At Hornet Cutting Systems, our laser intersection point with crosshair intersects directly where that plasma pierce point will happen so that you can know every single time where you put that mark is where the cut will start. Hornet Cutting Systems is centrally located here in Valley Center, Kansas, just outside of Wichita. We are virtually in the dead center of the United States, and it makes it easy for us to get to any of our customers in the 45 states that we have machines installed across the lower 48 United States. At Hornet Cutting Systems, we make all of our own machines in-house. Every Hornet machine starts on a Hornet Mega 1000 machine that has been operating excellently for the past decade. We have live customer support with on-site staff manning the phones. If you have an issue, you'll be able to talk directly to a Hornet service technician. As well, we also have dispatching service technicians to provide service, included with a service network of distributing partners that also have service across the Hornet Cutting Systems service network. We can provide the closest service, the best products, and we have a wide range of products that will help you in your fabrication operations. In addition to that, we provide outsourced fabrication and contract cutting if you have additional capacity needs. We love to support our local community here in Kansas.